Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download OBS Studio, so let's get started. Open your browser and search for OBS Studio. Go to the first website, OBS Studio, and now you can start directly downloading from here. You can download it to Windows, Mac or Linux, or you can go to this download page. And here you still can select your system, so I'm selecting Windows. You have multiple options. You can download it as installer or you can download a zip file. I'm going to download both and I'm going to tell you the difference. Just click on it and it will start downloading. Now after you download OBS Studio, you will have these two files. This is the installer file and this is the zip file. So if you open the installer file, it's going to install it on your Windows like how you install any other app. So you just click on next until it finishes and you will have it installed on your local disk C, program files, OBS Studio. This is the normal way if you want to download it, the setup file. This is what I'm using right now to record, but there is another option. If you download the zip file like this and extract it, now it gives you this file. So this file is a pre-installed OBS Studio, so you don't need to install anything. If I open this file, you are going to find this bin data OBS plugins. If I go to my C, this is it, local disk C, program files, OBS Studio, you are going to find the similar files like this, but this way it's portable and you can use it any way you want. If you copy these files and take them to a flash drive or something, it won't work. But with this method, if you download this file, you can copy it to your flash drive or to your phone and then you can open it on any other PC without needing to install it. So this is the idea of having it like this. If I go to bin 64-bit, now open OBS, launch anyway. Right now it shows you some scenes and some sources. This is because I have my OBS already installed, so it takes all these settings like scenes and sources, but it only takes these. So if you have installed any plugins or you have installed like scripts or anything, it won't work here, because if you want to install any plugin to this OBS Studio, you are going to need to install it manually to this OBS. So you go to plugin and add the files manually instead of just installing it with the exe file like this. So this is the idea. You can take this file to your flash drive or anything and use it as a separate OBS Studio. And for now I'm going to use this OBS Studio that I've just downloaded. So I'm going to show you everything on this one. And normally you are going to install it on your C, open it, and you'll have the icon on your desktop and it's going to work fine. So we are going to start in the next video.